Welcome to Back to Natural Living. This is Vanette Carbon, and my hubby and I are going to cook outside on firewood for the first time a pot of veggie lentil soup. Yes, and some dumplings, favorite in the Caribbean. First things first, we got to get the fire started, and we've never done this before. So, I want to be prepared just in case stuff hits the fan and there's no gas or electricity. I hope this encourages someone watching to prepare too. And it's almost 6:30 p.m. and we usually don't cook this late. But once in a while we like to change things up a bit. So let's get some fresh veggies from the garden. A leaf of life. A whole bunch of stuff here, but I'm not gonna go through that right now. I'm just gonna. What do we pick in first, G?
Callaloo and
Callaloo. Oh, we need some thyme.
yeah, we'll get the big thyme. Well, as I'm coming on them.
Come on. Callaloo. Okay.
And
Callaloo right here.
Malabar Spinach, yeah. This thing starts seeding quick. You just take it right there. You have to.
Yeah, take out the seed.
That's okay.
Yeah, please. Okay. Callaloo. Very nutritious. Okay.
Oh, there's more. Let me. Hold on.
Oh, we don't have to have all that.
Okay.
Malabar spinach. Let's get some Malabar spinach. This stuff is so nutritious. Malabar spinach. Okay, we got that. Alright, that's good. What's next?
Kale and the regular kale.
Yeah, so just a little piece of each. Purple kale right here. Okay.
Oh, this getting big.
And the regular kale. Oh, mosquito! Damn mosquito.
Oh, man, this thing is strong.
What?
Garlic
The
chive.
garlic chive? Put the garlic chive here. Here we got garlic chive. Yep. What's that?
Yeah, coolest.
Oh, you putting it in there?
No, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, you got it. Alright. Well, that's what I was wondering. I didn't know if I wanted Zepco is up in there. Yeah, let's get a piece of the thyme. Any pumpkin here already, yeah? Let me get some big thyme. Yeah, here. We got the big thyme. We good?
Liquor thyme.
That's it?
Liquor thyme.
The little thyme? Oh, he cutting it. Wait. Let's get a little thyme. Huh? Alright.
Alright.
Oh my God.
Some purslane.
I guess. Did we get purslane? Purslane. This
One more.
multivitamin. Purslane.
Alright, that's
Anti-aging too. Good for the skin, everything. Hair. Oh wow. So we gotta clean these. Alright. Oh my God. Let me just recover. Okay. We're gonna put a little piece of cardboard to ignite the fire. This is where we have all the ingredients for the soup, right here on the steps. We just picked these here. This is the pot. Oh my, this is brand new. Oh my God, it's so heavy. So heavy. Got it from Amazon. It's already rusting even though it's brand new. Never used it yet. I used it for the first time. Alright, so this is the ingredients. We have some carrots I cut up. We have some sea moss. We have the oil, some butter, some lime. These from the tree in our garden. Some, I don't know if I'm putting a little piece of ginger, but I might. What do I have in here? We have the onions and garlic I cut up already. Lentils that was soaked. Okay, so we got that going. What else do we have here for the soup? Remember, we have all the greens that we just picked. We gotta go wash those. Cabbage. Needed this dough, and that's to make some dumplings. I mean, we're gonna drop some dumplings. So we're making a veggie soup. Well, lentil veggie soup, and we just forgot here. Okay, you know, our distilled water. Yep. Coconut cream, gotta get it. And let me see how the fire go in here. Yep.
Go ahead. Yeah, the peas take time to cook.
You could zoom closer to the beauty of it.
Yeah, that's close enough.
Okay. Go ahead. Oh. Alright, can you get the water for me? Let me. Wow. Need some water. Pour it so because you can't see. Hold the light, okay. Yeah, all of it. Put the light. Yes, good, good, good. More light, more light.
That's a lot of peas, man. I need more water.
Put light closer. Yeah, that's it, that's it. That's it. Beautiful. Yeah.
Alright, don't need more water.
Okay. Look. Alright, give it. Okay, ready?
Go ahead, yeah.
Whoa.
Um,
We'll do another shape.
yeah.
Okay.
And you ain't tasted yet, you.
Okay, I'm gonna taste it now. Let me. I'm coming.
Not yet. Put the carrots in first. That's it.
Ah, unbelievable. Okay.
Okay.
All of this is not going to fit because I added the cabbage one time. So let's do this. Let's see how much. Maybe half? Maybe half will do.
It's gonna
Maybe half.
it's gonna shrink once it
Yeah,
gets
so that's what it's gonna.
just it has water in there too. Mm-hmm. Oh, we can take more. Add more.
A little more.
Mm-hmm.
I think we leave the cook way. Just that good?
Did you say that was part of you want to use all? Yeah,
More?
yeah, put all of that in there.
No? Oh,
Yeah, put all that in there.
that's true. You're gonna be real.
Okay, you see that going to overflow.
Hmm?
Hmm?
I want it to overflow for sure. You got your plate? Okay.
Where do you
eating.
Oh, it's inside. Well, the soup is finally finished and we're getting ready to eat. Want to know what my youngest son said to me? He said, Mom, this is the best soup you've ever made. All your soups are good, but this one is special. The only thing different that we did was it was done outside. Everything fresh. Anyway, I hope this was beneficial to you. Thank you so much for watching.